Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be your love reading. So we will see what's happening in your love life, what is your feelings towards your person's feeling towards you, how are they feeling in this relationship with you. We will see some love messages also at the end, and love messages as in what does your person think about you. We'll see that also at the end, and some advice for you. Okay, so guys, please keep in mind that this is going to be a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. So let's see, Taurus, what do we have in store for you? Guys, this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs, so take as it suits you. Okay, so let's see. Alright guys, I've got 3 cards for you, Taurus, already. The first is King of Swords, 6 of Pentacles and 3 of Wands. Let's see what else do we have for my Taurus. Your person's current feelings. We'll see your person's current feelings. Okay, I've got one more card. Queen of Wands. Let's see what else do we have. Okay, I've got so many cards. Guys, some of you, I think you are literally in separation, not talking to each other. What's happening? A lot of fights. You guys are not meeting each other, you know. Okay, I've got one more. Knight of Pentacles. I guess, guys, this is your person's feeling. I feel that your person is non-committal. Yes, some of you, you're literally waiting for your person to commit to you. This person is somebody who is running away from this commitment. Okay, I've got one more card. 5 of Pentacles. Now let's see, what do we have? Strength. This is at the bottom of your deck. Okay guys, Taurus, what's happening is, this person, whoever you're dealing with, this is a very strong relationship. We have the Lovers in your reading. So this person knows that they feel a divine connection with you. We don't get the Lovers usually in all our readings. Okay, and this is not just Lovers, this is Lovers with the Queen of Wands, with the Ace of Swords, with the Strength. So I feel that you guys, the love is divine. You know, you both love each other too much, Taurus. I can see that. I can feel that you both love each other too much. It's not just this person, it's you too. Okay, the love is mutual and divine. Now what's the problem here? The problem is that I feel your person is angry on you, Taurus. This person is very, very angry on you. Reason is because this person feels that you are a flirt. Let me be honest, this is their feeling. This person feels that you are a flirt. It's like, you know, they can sense that you are talking to somebody else too. This person can sense that maybe you are talking to a friend of yours off lately, not giving this person enough time, and this is the issue. This person feels that it is very difficult to get your attention. This person feels that you don't talk to this person as much as this person wants you to talk to them. This person feels that you have more than 2-3 options in your life. Now this is their feeling. But for some of you, I certainly feel that you have a friend you talk to, you know. So this person feels that, you know, you are ignoring them. This person feels ignored. This is the reason why this person is very angry. This person knows that relationship with you is very challenging, very challenging. Sometimes this person, you know, at times, I don't know, let me be honest, at times this person feels like moving away from you. This person feels that there's no point in putting in efforts with you, but somehow, because it's a divine connection, you both are attached to each other at soul level. Maybe you won't realize it now, you'll realize it later. Some of you, maybe few years later, okay, depends, because I've seen many people, they are in a relationship, but then they break up and then they meet each other after few years again, maybe 5 years, 10 years, and then they realize, why did they waste so many years without each other? Okay, so sometimes, I don't know why guys, I feel that this person at times they feel like moving away from you, because they feel that relationship with you is very challenging. But the thing is that they are still willing to work on this. Now this is their thought. They feel like going away from you, then they feel like coming back to you. Also, this person feels that you're ignoring each other. Some of you, you're definitely not in talking terms. We have the 4 of Swords here, King of Swords here, 5 of Wands here, 5 of Pentacles here. Some of you definitely are not talking to each other. 5 could be prominent because we have 5, 5. So 6, 6. So some of you, you're not talking to each other since 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks. Okay, you're literally not in talking terms, or even if you're talking, then it is like, you message them, they send you a reply, or they send you a message, you send a reply, but it's not going forward. Things are not moving as much as you want them to. So yeah, okay, I certainly see that things are slow. This person feels that they are in a dilemma. Okay, this person is in a dilemma. This person is like, what do I do? This person is confused. This Knight of Pentacles, this person is confused. They don't know whether to move forward with you or not. Okay, this person is confused. This person feels that relationship with you is going to be very challenging. This person knows that this relationship is challenging, but then this person still wants to work on this. Reason why? Because they love you. They love you. They love you a lot. Okay. For some of you, I feel that this person feels this person also feels that you both are not getting enough time to know each other. It's like you don't spend time with each other. This person wants to spend time with you. This person wants to know you more. This person feels that, and this person is somebody who wants you to take the action. Not that they don't want to, but this person is confused right now. So this person is taking a pause. This person wants you to take the first step. All right. Now, some of them, I feel that your person feels that this person feels ignored, guys. I feel that your partner, this person feels ignored. This person feels that relationship with you is very challenging. I told you. Still, this person wants to work on this, but somehow I feel that they don't have the guts or courage to come forward and talk to you. So I don't see any action right now. I don't see this person taking action towards you right now. However, they wish to. With the Ace of Swords, I feel that this person wants to talk to you. They are thinking a lot. This person is overthinking. Okay, I feel that this person is not happy. Some of them, they are literally angry on you. Angry to an extent where this person feels that there's no point. Why did I waste my time on this person? Let me move forward. Could be that this person may have started ignoring you. You may have noticed that this person doesn't send you messages like before. Okay, that could also be the thing. 5 of Pentacles is somebody. You know what, guys? This person sometimes feels that will I be happy with this Taurus or not? Okay, this person feels, I don't know, because there is this communication gap between both of you, because of which this person wants you to be expressive. This person wants you to show your love, okay? And maybe you are hesitant, Taurus, okay? Let me be honest, you are hesitant. Some of you, I am sorry to tell you this, I'm sorry. Now, this is not for all of you. Some of you, I feel that you are a flirt. Could be that you have been a player in your past. So this person knows that. This person can sense that you have been a player in the past. So this person finds difficult to trust on you completely. Now this is not for all, okay, not for all, some of you. This person certainly feels that maybe you have been a player in the past. This person feels that relationship with you may be difficult and very challenging, but then it's like their heart is stuck on you. They feel like moving away from you, but there's some divine force that gets this person back to you. You know, this is your soulmate relationship, so you are destined to come back to each other. Now this is up to you. How long do you guys want to take? You want to come back to each other now, or you want to come back to each other after a few years? That depends on, you know, you both. For some of you, I feel that this person you are dealing with could be that this person may have had a failed marriage in the past. For some of you, I feel that your person, maybe this person is involved in some other relationship. Maybe you both are involved in some other relationship, because of which this person is non-committal. Because you feel that your partner is not giving you a commitment. It's like maybe this person is involved with somebody else, you are involved with somebody else. Could be that you are single, this person is involved somewhere else and they are not giving you the commitment. That could be one thing. Or yeah, that could be one thing. Or in some cases, guys, I feel that this person does not have the guts or the courage to come forward to you with a commitment. As I said, this person may be stuck. Now this could be a family, they are stuck in a family, they are stuck somewhere, because of which this person does not have the guts or courage to come forward to you, Taurus, okay. So this person is going to take time. See, this person is thinking, overthinking, they are not sleeping well, this person is restless. Okay, they may try to divert their mind, okay, but it's temporary. It's like your thoughts haunt this person day in and day out. So this person may show that they are happy, but they are not, okay. Some of you, this person feels that you don't spend good time with this person. This person wants to know you more, Taurus, okay. This person wants you to spend time with this person. This person wants you to show them that you love them. This person wants you to prove it to this person that you love them. This person wants you to be expressive, Taurus, okay. So I know you, Taurus, you guys are not expressive. So if you want this person, you will have to be expressive, otherwise you will lose this person, because this person has come in this energy of Queen of Wands and King of Swords. I still see this person in this King of Swords energy. They are angry right now with the 5 of Wands, 6 of Pentacles. This person, look at this 4 of Swords. This person is angry, but then the day they step into their power, Taurus, you may lose this person, because I see this person transitioning in their power. The day they choose, the day they make up their mind that they don't want you, this person will leave you, okay. They won't think left and right. Some of you, I think, are literally dealing with a Aries, Leo, Saggy. This could be Aries, Leo, Saggy, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. These sun signs are prominent, and if you are dealing with these sun signs, I don't know, this person is in a place where they are about to make a decision. So if you want this person, you will have to buckle up, Taurus, okay. This person may, the day they decide, it's like, you know, this person is still working. See, I do see this person in a place where they are still stuck on you, but these are their thoughts, you know. Sometimes they feel like moving away from you. So if you really want this person, you don't want to lose this person, you will have to buckle up, Taurus, okay. You buckle up and make some efforts, start putting some efforts, talk to this person, because if you don't, this person is about to leave. Now I feel this person is still thinking, okay. I don't see them leaving you now, okay. I don't see them leaving you now, because whether this person wants to start everything again with you. So if you both are willing to work on each other, this relationship is one of the best relationships. Both are attached to each other at soul level. So I would suggest you both work towards each other. This person is confused. They do not have the guts, courage right now to take action towards you. However, they want to, but I feel that this person is stuck. Alright, let's see what else. We'll see your energy, Taurus. We'll see your energy. This person feels that you are a flirt, Taurus, okay. This person feels that maybe you are a flirt. They do sense that. Now maybe you are not, okay. Some of you may not be a flirt, but I do see some of you have options, and you are like, maybe you are trying to show this person that you don't care about them, or could be that you try to show this person that you are busy in your life, could be that you talk to somebody else. At heart you love this person, but you don't show it to this person, and that is why this person is in this place, that if you continue doing that to me, Taurus, this is their thought process, okay? This person is like, if you continue doing that to me, I may leave. If they come into this power of Queen of Wands, Taurus, this person will leave you within a day. Okay, that's their energy. So I would suggest you work on this person, because this person is somebody who loves you a lot. This person loves you so much, Taurus, because we have got this card here. Okay, this person loves you so much that I don't know, I cannot even say how much this person loves you. I don't think you should lose a person like this, okay, Taurus? Don't show this person that you have other options. Don't show this person that, you know, I feel that you guys should not be in this place where you are having, I also see, you know, I also sense this ego thing, you know, who comes first, you know, I'm not going to message you, you message me first, I have done enough. This person is like, I have done enough, I always initiate the conversation, I want you to initiate this time. These are their thought process. This person wants you to take action, Taurus. Now let's see what's happening. What are you thinking towards this person, Taurus? Let's see, what are you thinking towards this person? Guys, I feel that in this relationship, Taurus, patience is required. You both have to be patient. I feel that your person is being impatient right now, because of which they are taking this decision. And as you all know, Taurus, you are somebody who takes a lot of time. We have your energy, your Knight of Pentacles. You guys take a lot of time. This person knows. This person feels that you're very slow, very slow. Okay, I've got the first card here, 8 of Wands. See, okay, wow, 8 of Wands. This is Queen of Pentacles and Fool. All right, let me see. Taurus, some of you, I feel that you are ready to call this person, message them. Okay, you really want to. Look at this, Knight of Cups. You are really ready to call this person, message them, or you know it deep in your heart, Taurus, that you love this person. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. You really, as I said, you want commitment from this person. That is very strong. Okay, you are waiting for a commitment from this person. Some of you, you feel that this person is somebody who is quite immature. Okay, could be that you feel that your person is very immature. You feel that it's an effort to make this person understand how you feel or what you want. Some of you, you could be struggling with some addictions also, Taurus. Okay, I don't know, I was getting this here also, but some of you, I feel that you are struggling to get rid of some addictions too. Okay, so you may have some addictions. It could be alcohol, it could be anything. Okay, addictions. So I do see you guys are fighting addictions. That is one thing. Some of you, yeah, you guys, see, you want marriage, guys. See, we have the Hierophant here. You want marriage, you want commitment, you want this person to commit to you, and that is coming across very strong in your reading. Okay, some of you, you may have two choices. Okay, I do also see some of you, Taurus, your person knows that you're talking to a friend of yours. This is something that this person is jealous about. This person feels that you're giving more time to a friend, not this person. Okay, that is one thing. As I said, some of you, you have two options, Taurus, but whatever it is, I feel that your love is for this person, and you have, Taurus, made a decision. Some of you, I feel that you have made a decision. It is not that you are confused. You may have two options, but you have already made a decision to be with this person. Because I have this card, you want to marry this person, but you are waiting for a commitment. You want this person to be matured. Okay, I do see immature. Lot of, see, with the Fool energy here, with yeah, with the Fool energy, see, you feel that this person is somebody who is very immature. Okay, this person is somebody who does not have the courage or guts to stand up for this relationship. Maybe this person is scared because of their family or their parents, or this person does not want to take any action towards you. Okay, maybe you want to get married to this person, and this person is like, no, I'm worried because my family won't agree, or this or this, or maybe this person may have to leave a relationship to be with you. Okay, that is also something. But I feel, guys, some of you, you know deep in your heart that this person loves you a lot, you love this person, and that is why I think this is your energy. I think you have made up your mind to invest in this person. Okay, you want to spend a lot of time, and that has come as a guidance also. You guys should meet, you guys should spend a lot of time with each other. And see, you have come in this power, justice, so you want to be fair towards this person, you want to be fair. You know somewhere deep in your heart that you will have to put in efforts, otherwise this person is gone. That is one thing. Whatever it is, guys, Taurus, I know that you guys are going to message or call this person, but even if you don't call or message, this person is going to do that. With the Ace of Swords, this person wants to come to you and talk to you. Of course, this person is angry right now. Maybe this person will take some more time, could be 3 days, 4 days, or could be a week if you are not talking to each other. But this person is somebody who will initiate a conversation if you do not. So it is like mutual. If this person doesn't, you will. So this is coming as very strong. 8 of Wands, like you are ready to call this person, you are ready to message this person, but even if you don't, this person will. Okay, some of you, you feel that it is you who initiates the conversation always. If you feel that it is you, Taurus, who initiates the conversation always, then I have a message for you. You can stop. You can wait for a while. If you wait for a week or 15 days, 20 days, I don't know, this person is somebody who will come towards you, because this person cannot give up on you right now. Of course, this person is angry, this person may take some time, but this person is somebody who will come back to you and talk to you, even if you don't call or message them. So some of you, if you literally feel that it is you who is putting all the efforts in this relationship, you can wait for a while. Wait, because this person will come back to you. Patience is required, guys, in this reading at both the ends. Lot of patience. Okay, this person is somebody, yes, this person is immature, you feel so, and I also see that maybe this person is immature. They can't wait, they want your attention, they feel that you ignore them, this, that, etc, etc. For some of you, I do see that there is a message. If you are flirting with somebody else, I think you should stop. This is for some of you. I do see that some of you, you have 2 options, so you may be flirting. Okay, I'm not saying that you're serious, but I don't know, I do see a player energy at your end, Taurus. So be careful, because this person is somebody who can sense it. Maybe you are dealing with somebody who's highly intuitive. They can feel that you are with somebody else. It's a common sense. If you are not investing your time on this person, you are definitely investing it somewhere else, and this person knows it. So be careful, because this person is very intuitive, whoever you are dealing with. So they can sense that you are, I'm not saying in all the cases, but for most of you, I feel that you are dealing with a Queen of Wands, a King of Swords. They are very intelligent. Okay, this person is somebody, they can sense things. So this person does sense that you may be flirting with somebody else. So if you are doing that, Taurus, I would request you to stop if you are very serious about this person. Some of you, you are struggling financially. Okay, I do see financial struggle at your end, Taurus. Okay, so because we have the 6 of Pentacles here, we have the Queen of Pentacles here, 5 of Wands, okay, just besides this. So I think some of you, there is a lot of financial struggle in your life. You are literally working hard. Yeah, you're literally working very hard to make money, Taurus. Okay, I do see that. Sun, 7 of Pentacles, and Death. See, you feel that things are over between both of you. Some of you, you literally feel that things are over between both of you, but it's not, guys. It's not. We have the Sun here, but as I said, guys, for some of you, this is a warning, because this person is in the energy that if you continue like this person may not tell, not ask you for clarification. This person will just leave. So if you don't want to lose this person, you better start putting efforts, Taurus. I know that you love this person a lot, but I think you will have to put efforts. You both, I'm not just saying you, but I think it has to be mutual. Okay, you both should. And some of you, I feel that you are going to do it. You have realized it on your own that you have to invest on this person. Okay, you have realized because of the separation. You have realized because you may have noticed that this person is not putting in efforts as much as they were in the past. Okay, so because of which I think you may have realized that you will have to invest. Reconciliation, so I think some of you will reconcile very soon. For some of you feel that this is over, or maybe you have had a breakup, but that's temporary. Whatever it is, you may be not talking, breakup, whatever, but that's temporary, because I do see you coming back to each other. But be cautious, you'll have to put efforts, Taurus. Okay, you have to put efforts, because it's like a warning, so you will have to put efforts here. Okay, Taurus. Now oh my god, 6 of wands. You want to marry this person as soon as possible, and that is happening, guys. Okay, that is happening. We have Hierophant here, we have the 6 of wands, so you will see Sun, 6 of wands and Hierophant. So you guys are going to marry. Okay, I do see marriage for some of you. All right, so that was that. Let's see your person's energy. We'll see your person's energy, Taurus. We'll see your person's energy, Taurus. Instinct. I told you this person is very intuitive. Whoever you're dealing with, Taurus, your partner is very intuitive. They can sense it. If you're flirting with somebody else, or if you are making this person jealous by talking to somebody else or something like this, I said you will have to be careful, guys. This person is very intuitive. Whoever you are dealing with, Taurus, they can sense it that you are trickery. See, this person is somebody who doesn't want to get played. Okay, this person has had a bad life already in the past, or this person is already going through a lot. So this person doesn't want to get fooled, or this person doesn't want to get played by you. So this person is somebody who is going to be very sure before they come towards you or before they invest. But the good thing, Taurus, is this person loves you to no extent. It's just that, don't spoil a relationship because of misunderstandings. That is what I feel. You don't have to spoil a relationship because of misunderstanding. You both have to work towards each other, okay? Impasse. See, I just said that misunderstandings, and what has come as impasse. This person feels that you both do not agree to each other. There are a lot of disagreements between both of you. Misunderstandings, disagreements. Maybe this person wants something, you want something else, or you feel that this person doesn't understand you. So I think you both will have to sit and talk, because this is a divine relationship. Don't spoil this, Taurus. Okay, that is what I feel. One more message. Let's see what is your person's energy. We'll see what is your person's energy. Okay, I've got 2 more cards here. Faith. Oh my god, 3 cards. Recovery. I think for some of you, this person is recovering. This person is not well. This person is not well. They are recovering, healing emotionally, mentally. As I said, faith. This person is somebody who has faith in their divine angels. Okay, this person is spiritual, whoever you are dealing with, because I said this person is very intuitive. So whoever you are dealing with, this person is spiritual, so they have a lot of faith in their God, whoever they've been praying to, whatever. So this person feels whatever will happen for the best. So this person is somebody who has faith that this relationship may work out. Okay, so they are being hopeful right now. This person is having hope. This person is hopeful. This person feels that things will work out. Okay, and this person is willing to put in efforts. Confusion. I told you this person is confused. Whether do you even love this person? This person feels ignored, guys. This person feels that you just don't care about them. Okay, that is their energy. Now let's see, Taurus. We will see what is your energy. We will see, Taurus, what is your energy. We'll see about you. What is your energy here? We'll see what is your energy. Okay, I've got the first card, milk and honey. Okay, Taurus, see, this card is a confirmation, guys, that you are in a very divine relationship, Taurus. Don't spoil it. You have whatever you wanted. It's like, I think for some of you, this is your wish fulfillment. You wanted a person like this and you have them. So just don't spoil it. Do whatever it takes to please this person, and this is a divine blessing. Okay, this person has come in your life as a divine blessing, so appreciate and work on this. That is one. Now let's see I feel that you guys are very happy with this person. You know that this person is somebody who is very loyal, who loves you. Okay, deep within you know that this person is somebody who loves you. They are very sure about you. Somehow it's like, you are enjoying this process, Taurus. I feel that you guys are enjoying this entire process of not talking to each other. Not for you. Some of you, I feel that you have a new opportunity that has come knocking on your door. This could be a business proposal, this could be a job offer, this could be something, and that is not for you. So you have to be very sure before you get into some new thing. Okay, maybe somebody is trying to approach you for partnership. Just don't get into it without checking all the information. Be very careful. Some of you, as I said, you're confused between two people. You're confused between two people. Now this is a person who loves you truly and is your soulmate. Follow your heart. You will know in your heart. Okay, who is the right one. Don't fall for the wrong person, Taurus. You may have choices, but some of you may land up taking a wrong decision. So be very careful before you choose who you want to go forward with, because you have two options. One is for you and this is the one who is for you, and there is one more. As I said, you guys are talking to somebody else, so be very careful. Don't make a wrong decision. See, I have got this card just above Justice, so be very careful before you choose somebody else over this person. Flexible. See, some of you are being asked to be flexible. You're very rigid about the fact that this person just isn't. You want some qualities in this person. I don't know, some of you, I feel that you expect this person to be thin. You expect this person to look very good. Maybe you are putting pressure on this person, or I'm not saying this is for all of you, but some of you, I feel that you expect your person to look good, to look thin, something like this. Okay, so you may have told this to your partner, and this partner is angry over that. This partner feels that you don't love them, but you love their body, or you love something else. Maybe you may have criticized this person over their looks, Taurus, and that has hurt this person, whoever you're dealing with. So be careful. Okay, be flexible. Don't be rigid that you want these qualities. If you want love, focus. What do you want? You want a person who has a good body but they don't love you, or you want a person who loves you too much? Maybe they are fat, thin, tall, short, I don't know, but I don't know. You're just being asked to be flexible. Okay, that is the message that I see. You are being asked to be flexible, Taurus. One more is co-create. See, you both have to work on this, Taurus. It is not a one person's game. Okay, now life, this is your beautiful chapter. You have been given this chapter. This is a divine blessing. This person has come as a blessing in your life, Taurus. You are being asked to work. It is like this person is willing to put 50%. You will also have to take some efforts, Taurus. You cannot sit like this and expect this person to work on this completely. Some of you expect this person to put all the effort. It is like, I don't know, I feel that this person is somebody, they may give you 50% or 70%, so you will have to give at least 30%, Taurus, 30 to 40%. Okay, you cannot expect all the work to be done by your person. So this is for some of you, not for all of you. Don't take it otherwise. Okay, that's the message that I get, so I'm telling you. So could be that you are a masculine energy, Taurus. So I'm not saying this is for feminine energies. Maybe this message is for a masculine energy, not for feminine energies. So the flirt and this is only for masculine, as far as I feel. So you both will have to work on this, Taurus. It is not one person's game. Life is like a cycle. If both the wheels have to work in tandem, okay, it cannot be that this person is willing to put in efforts and you are not willing to put in efforts. No, you both will have to put efforts equally. And so if you do not put efforts, Taurus, you may lose this person. So be very careful. What do you want in life? You want this person, you'll have to put in efforts. So that is something that I see, especially for the masculine energy. Okay, this message is especially for the masculine energy. Treasure Island, I told you, some of you are going to get some unexpected wealth. This could be a promotion that's coming your way. This could be a new job. This is some unexpected wealth. Okay, Taurus, you are going to get something very soon. A very good proposal, that will fetch you a lot of money. Okay, building blocks, yes, I see you working on this relationship now. And patience, guys, patience. As I said, guys, time is passing by. You will have to put in efforts, Taurus, okay? Time is just passing by. You will have to put in efforts, because for some of you, I feel that your person is going to come in this energy of Queen of Wands. The day they reach in this energy, this person is like, I don't care, I'm ready to move on. So buckle up, time is passing by. This is a reassurance, okay? If you want this person, if you don't want, then it's a different case. I don't know why I saw this card. Why? High power. Some of you are in this energy. See, these cards were open already, so I'm taking it. Maybe there is a message for you here. Now these cards, okay, this is trying to tell you, guys, some of you are in this energy. Why is this happening to me? Why? Maybe you are trying to connect to your higher power. You're praying a lot, Taurus. You're praying a lot to God, to divine power, to give you some guidance, okay? You want some guidance from universe, you want some guidance from God, and you are in this energy where you're praying to God. Why is this happening to me? Why? What do I do? Should I not? This could be for your love life, this could be for anything. This could be for this person, this could be for your career, whatever. But some of you are literally praying a lot. You are trying to connect to your higher power, whoever you are praying to, and you're seeking guidance, okay? That's the message. So whatever it is, guys, I do see happy times coming for you. I do see reconciliation. The only message that I have in this reading is you both will have to put in efforts equally, Taurus, okay? Yeah. So that was that, Taurus. Let's see what love messages do we have from your person. Let's see, how does your person think about you? We will see what does your person feel for you. I think this is enough. Let me see what messages do I have for my Taurus. Let's see, how does your person feel for you, or what will be their love messages for you, Taurus. Let's see. So we'll get to know what are their feelings for you. I'm ready to marry you. See, this person is non-committal, but I told you this person is ready to marry you. They are going through some troubles. This person does not have the courage or guts to take action right now, but this person is ready. Deep in their heart, this person wants you, okay? They may say, they may not say, I don't know, because this person is stuck with some issues, but this person wants to marry you. What else? I want to know if you feel the same as I feel for you. See, some of you, maybe you are dealing with a friend, okay? You are in this stage where you are just friends. This person could be a friend at your workplace. You both have feelings for each other, or you both could be friends. And this person wants to know whether you feel the same as they feel for you, okay? So maybe you both have not confessed that you both are in love with each other. So this could be for singles. Or this could be, even if you're dating this person, maybe you're not talking to each other. This person feels that this person wants to tell you that this person is going through a lot. This person is not sleeping well. This person is going through a lot of anxiety. This person is just missing you day in and day out. You make me so excited. I feel like a kid again when I'm with you. This person feels that you pamper them a lot, or you make them feel special. They feel like a kid when they are with you. So as I said, you feel that this person is immature. You feel that this person is like a kid. I'm so afraid of rejection that I haven't taken a risk to be with you. I told you this person does not have guts or courage to come towards you, Taurus. This person is afraid of rejection. They feel, what if they come towards you? What if they come back and you reject? Or you may choose somebody else over this person. So this person has the fear of rejection too. I'm obsessed with you. This person is obsessed with you. Especially if you are a feminine energy, this man is mad for you. Man or woman doesn't really matter, but this person is obsessed. You are my first and last love. See, Taurus, this person loves you so much. I told you, this is a soul connection. This is a soul connection. There is a purpose for us to meet again after so many years. My God, some of you, I think you have met each other after many years, 5 years, 10 years, I don't know. Okay, so maybe you both have come towards each other after many years, Taurus. Okay, that is one thing that I see here. I will convince your parents. Oh my God, this person is telling you that they will convince your parents. So if this is a masculine energy and you are feminine energy, my viewers, this person is telling you that they will convince your parents. Maybe you're confused. As I said, I had got that card for you. You're confused. So this person will convince your parents. We both have so much to learn and heal before we can heal and align. This person feels that you both are in a mess right now. This person is going through a lot in their life. You are going through a lot in your life. This person feels that you both need time, okay, to heal before you both can come back and be together. Okay, this person feels that you both require healing, and that is emotional. Okay, I do see emotional healing. As I said, maybe you both have had a bad relationship in the past, could be anything, but this person feels that you both have to learn a lot from each other. That is one thing. I'm so grateful for all that I have learned from you. I thank you for everything. See, this person has learned a lot from you. These are their thought process. What else? I don't deserve you. I regret many things from my past that I can't take back. I don't know why this person feels, now this is especially if this is a masculine energy, this person feels that they don't deserve you. Some of you Taurus, I feel that this person feels that they don't deserve you. They regret many things from their past. Maybe this person, as I said, some of you, you're meeting each other after many years, and this person feels that they didn't treat you right in the past. This person feels that they may have hurt you in the past, ignored you in the past, could be anything. For some of you, this person feels that they have wronged you somewhere in the past. Okay, this person feels guilty for that. Any other message, Taurus? We'll see one more. I want you. Okay, this person wants you. This person wants to marry you. We have it here. It's just that this person needs some time. So that was that, Taurus. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, do like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate. Okay, so that was that. You guys take care, be safe, bye bye.